guys, I'm Lerato Kubedi, as you should know, but if you don't know, now you know. What's good? What's good? I'll tell you what's good. This is a video I've been excited for. I don't mind these little limbs on my face. It's just I had problems with my camera, lighting, just a whole lot of things, but I told myself I will not let the devil win. I'm going to film. Okay, H2O. So I just decided to film this amazing Valentine's Day 3-in-1 look, which is the hair, the makeup, and the outfit. I really love this. I got this inspiration from one of my favorite legendary YouTubers, Sydney Lillian. She is amazing. She is the originator, CEO, the everything of 3-in-1. She really came up with it, and I thought, you know what, why not do it? And I really liked it. I really love this look, the makeup, guys. Makeup is looking good, so good. It's amazing, it's pretty, it's beautiful, it's relevant. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like this video, because I mean, you're here, you've tuned in, so obviously I'm doing something right. Comment below on if you tried this look, how it turned out. Just talk. Don't forget to subscribe, because we need the subscriptions to come up, people. I'm at like 50 or 51. Do I look like a person that needs to get 50 or 51? No. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notifications every time I upload and you are not left behind. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I've decided to try this without a fan on. I'm not ready for the motivation that might happen, but I'm gonna keep trying because I just noticed that there's a huge echo from the fan, and I think I'll be okay with this one window open. Before we get into this amazing Valentine's Day 3-in-1 look, okay, I just want to say shout out to Julia's mother for these amazing cupcakes. She done did the damn thing, okay? She done did the damn thing. I held them so privately. I saved them. I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna touch you until I film. That will motivate me to get out of bed and film. So let's these are so delicious, like you don't understand. Now that is how you in the hair. Alright. You did not come here to watch me eat. Even though I must say I look pretty eating, if I say so myself. I'm going to first base my eyes. I kind of did, but I feel like I want a more bright concealer just to make the eye look pop. And that is the LA Girl in medium beige. You guys know this. I don't need to show y'all that. That is just so unnecessary. So I'm just gonna put on a little bit. I just really want the eyeshadow to really pop, to be disrespectfully popping. Don't come for me about my brushes. It's been a hectic week, emotionally, physically. It's just been a lot, like a lot. So my brushes and sponges might look a little cray, a little hoo-ha, a little wood, but I'm going to get an amazing result on this look. I got this look from, what's her name, lady? I'm going to put her YouTube channel down there because I support That's all I'm gonna say, y'all, because you know I just need to say that there are some YouTubers that are not supporting each other. In with the beauty treats palette that I used in my previous eye look, and I'm just going to go in with a pink eyeshadow. In with more pink, guys, because you know what, this pink is not yelling my name as yet. You need to make sure that when your significant other looks at you, he needs to be like, wow, can somebody look at my girlfriend right now, because she is looking like a snake. So yeah, because I'm excited for Valentine's Day. This is legit my first Valentine's Day that's spending alone. Because for some reason, every Valentine's Day, I'm alone. I'm just alone. Like, I don't understand. So, this is my year to shine. Best believe. Best believe. When he sees me, just gonna need a minute or two when I'm done with him. Because I'm literally gonna slay. I'm gonna come out to slay. He needs to see his wife. Not that he hasn't already. Okay, I feel like the pink is enough. Okay, wait, just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Don't be screwed. I am now going to go in with a red eyeshadow from the same palette. Look at that. Girl, you better stop. I'm gonna make sure I blend, alright? You need to really not be scared of blending. And I'm going to do the same for the under eye. So you're going to go in with pink, pink, red, and purple. I'm going to go in the waterline. Just like that. And whenever I want the white to just really come out and pop, I go into a white eyeshadow. I'm now going to do a cut crease. I used to be so nervous with cut creases because I thought, oh my gosh, I'm gonna mess up. I'm gonna mess up. So my trick is I take out of the tube, I put onto my finger just a little bit like that, and I collect from my finger onto my eyelid. Put on a little bit of powder where I'm gonna put on the pink. And just go in with the pink. I've just put on concealer, pink eyeshadow, purple eyeshadow. I'm now going to put on a bit of this glue right on top of that red glitter. I really like this type of brush. It holds on to the glue and the glitter really nicely. I'm gonna go in with a cream white eyeshadow just here and try and blend that in too. We're gonna be sipping on wine and looking like dolls. And underneath, just underneath, I'm going to put on a bit of glue as well. lashes. They look so pretty. I love these lashes. I actually DIY'd them. They're not these lashes for like 300 rand. Like, I do not have money to play with like that. Going to put on mascara on my bottom lashes as always. I mean, that's just a given. They have a bit of lash glue, so they're not gonna look as they normally do. If you guys have watched my previous video, then you will know that I put on a bit of brown eyeliner. I did add quite a bit more actually, but that's not a biggie. And I'm going in with my Maybelline Vivid Liqueur. For highlighting, I'm going to mix the Maybelline Master Chrome and the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. I'm first going to start off with the Wet n Wild highlighter because I feel like it just adds, it just starts off as a good base. Literally gonna irritate every single girl on Valentine's Day. It's a given. Like Bonang always said.
Look at me, I look like money.
I mean, guys, she's the queen bee. Like, come on, come on. She made slaying like okay, you know, and she made us feel like, you know what, we can actually look like dolls in real life, and there's nothing wrong with that. So that's what we are doing today. It's Valentine's Day look. If my man's Katleho is watching, hey babe, can you see that I am just tearing it apart? Can you see that? I am looking all types of okay, this is the look. We are now going to get into the hair, the outfit. So let's not waste time. Let's get into that because I'm looking all types of. Can I put on more lip gloss first?
Lashes are, weave is, dress is ready to.
Oh,